When the whole crowd saw him, they were immediately overcome with awe, and they ran forward to greet him. He asked them, "What are you arguing about with them?" Someone from the crowd answered him,
"Teacher, I brought you my son. He has a spirit that makes him unable to speak, and whenever it seizes him, it dashes him down, and he foams and grinds his teeth and becomes wretched. And I asked your disciples to cast it out, but they could not do so."
He answered them,
You faithless generation, how much longer must I be among you? How much longer must I put up with you? Bring him to me.
and they brought the boy to him. When the spirit saw him, immediately it convulsed the boy, and he fell on the ground and rolled about, foaming at the mouth. Jesus asked the father,
How long has this been happening to him?
and he said,